Throughout our life, we need our cells to grow and renew. And when we get injured, for an example, if you scrape your knee or you have hair damage, there is a process that helps repair this damage. It is done through the process of mitosis. As humans, we have two different types of cells. We have somatic cells and gametes. In this lesson, we'll focus on somatic cells because this is where the process of mitosis happens. So if mitosis is the process by which cells divide, and we know that it happens in somatic cells, then let's take a look at exactly what somatic cells are. Another name for somatic cells are body cells. They are called body cells because they literally make up the parts of the body. According to study.com, they are known as the tiny building blocks of life. Here is a really cool image of a neuron that I found on technologynetworks.com. A neuron is an example of a somatic cell. Some other examples of somatic cells are hair, organs, your bones, fat, even your skin, as well as your blood cells. Now that we know a little bit about somatic cells, let's take a look at this important process that repairs them. So let's get back to mitosis. In the process of mitosis, one cell is divided and two cells called daughter cells are formed. These daughter cells are identical replicas of the original one cell. As you can see in this image taken from our textbook, as humans we have 46 chromosomes. And the process of mitosis starts in this 46 single chromatic chromosomes. DNA replication then happens, and this causes the cells to duplicate from a single chromatic chromosome to a double chromatic chromosome. Inside of the somatic cell, where all of this is happening, these newly formed chromosomes line up in a single line in the middle of the cell. So now you have this double chromatic chromosome, which to me essentially, I think of it as 92 single chromatic chromosomes because of what happens next. Next, a split happens down the center or centromere of the chromatid, and each chromatid moves to a different side of the cell. Once they are on different sides of the cell, a pinching of sort happens in the middle that completely separates the cell into two, and each cell now has its own 46 chromatid chromosomes. So in conclusion, this process that we call mitosis is simply put the process that creates new somatic cells. And when our bodies are in need of repair, it is through this process of mitosis that damaged tissue is repaired and our body continues to grow. Thank you.